Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the June Allure beauty box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so the June 2026 Allure beauty box has arrived. I'm not quite sure what the item, oh wait, was this the first aid beauty that there was like 4 to choose from? I think so. Or was that last month? I don't know. Let's go in and see. I know for next month it was like a bronzer, liquid like bronzer, I believe. And I just chose like a medium color to put in a future giveaway for you guys. But let's go ahead and see what's in the June box. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. You always have a brochure with a gorgeous woman right on the front. This will go over all of the products inside and tell you the full retail price value. If you don't have the full size product in your box, it will tell you the size that you have, but not the amount for the trial size. So we always go through that. And then it looks like there is some coupons and then a sneak peek. Yes, this is it. A sneak peek is right there. So this is, I believe, the first time there, because normally there's like a color option, you know, whatever you get to choose, it's from different colors or different sheen or something like that. This time, however, was the first one that I've seen that you got to pick from like 4 different, they're all the same brand, but 4 completely different products. And I was actually really excited about that. So let's go ahead and start there to see what the choice would be. Yes, it was out of 4 different products. And what I chose was the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. If you follow me, you know I love any type of a moisturizer and a face moisturizer. Yes, please. But you could have picked from the First Aid Beauty After Shower Nourishing Body Oil, the Brightening Micro Powder Exfoliant, a Fresh Strawberry Bump Eraser Body Scrub, or the Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Now, these are all full-size pricing. The body oil is valued at $36. The powder exfoliant is valued at $32. The body scrub is valued at $30. And the one I chose, the face moisturizer, is valued at $28. But again, I'm super excited about a face moisturizer. So item number 1, $28, full-size product. I got to choose. So now let me go ahead and flip the page and see what else we have in here. Okay, so this says Luna Nectar. Oh, I love that name. And it is a botanical retinol alternative boosting serum. Okay. This right here is the full size, valued at $49 for a 30 ml. It says at night after cleansing, pat 3 drops into your skin, forehead to neck, followed by a moisturizer. Don't forget to wear sunscreen the next morning. So yes, you put this on after you cleanse and tone, but before a moisturizer to kind of like intense the moisturizer. So here is again an alternative boosting serum with retinol. Let me get it opened. Ooh, it's a tight fit. She's a tight fit. Ooh, okay. And that is what she looks like. So there is item number 2. So next up we have from Aceology. It says, Here We Glow Berry Mask. Ooh, I wonder if you have to wash this off. Let's see how you'll use it. Slather onto freshly cleansed skin, making sure to apply it evenly from the forehead to the chin. Then grab a spot on the couch, catch up on your favorite feel-good show, and welcome your new glow after 20 to 30 minutes. It doesn't say you have to wash it off. Ooh, let's see. Cleanse and tone the skin. Apply a thick layer of the mask to the skin. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Oh, rinse thoroughly with water. It doesn't say that on the pamphlet, but it says it on here. This is actually, is this a 65 mil? This is a 65 mil valued for $69. This better be a good mask for $69, let me tell you. I personally just do not like the mask that you have to wash off. I like the ones you can just leave on your face and be done with it. So I will gladly put this in a future giveaway, but this right here is valued at $69. Holy moly. Hopefully whoever gets it, it makes your skin feel nice and glowy, dewy, and does some amazing stuff for almost $70 for this little tube. So there is number 3. Next up here we have, it says hair and body mist. It's this little guy right here. The retail value for a full size 50 mil would be $57, and we have a 10 mil included in the box. Ooh, it says with notes of rose, velvet, and jasmine. Good thing I saw that, because this will go in a future giveaway. Anything with rose, I don't, nope, I don't want a migraine. I get them enough. I don't want nothing to help it out. So this will go in a future giveaway, but it does say a spritz or 2 of this flowery fragrance will instantly transport you to the iconic gardens, flowers, and fruit trees. So I'm sure it'll smell good, just not on me. So there is the first travel or trial size right there. We have 2 items still left in here, you guys. We have a Paul Mitchell flexible style sculpting foam. This definitely has to be a travel size as well. Oh, it looks like your box contains Paul Mitchell sculpting foam or the Paul Mitchell clear jelly mask. So there's one of 2 that you could have received. And this one right here says the retail value is $31 for a 16.9 fluid ounce, and we received a 2 fluid ounce in the box. And the clear jelly mask, if that's what you receive, that one is normally $30 for an 8 ounce, and a 2 ounce is inside of the box. So one of 2. Between those 2, I'm actually glad that there is a sculpting foam like a mousse, because I would definitely use this over a clear jelly mask, whatever that is. It says after shampooing, rake a generous goop with your fingers, leave on for 5 to 15 minutes depending on your hair needs. Oh, so it's kind of like a conditioner kind of thing. Oh, it says no rinse, and then follow up with your go-to conditioner. So that's something in between shampooing and conditioning. Never have tried that, but again, I would definitely use this over the 2. So I got that. And then the last thing in the box, you guys, is David's Hydroxy. It's a whitening plus enamel health toothpaste. I have used this brand. This is not a full size because it's a lot smaller. The retail price for a 4 ounce is $10.95, and what's included in the box is a 1.75 ounce, which this is great if you want to save it for travel. But let me show you what it looks like. I wonder, does this one have the little thingy thing? No. The bigger ones have like that little tool that you can put in there and roll up, so all of the toothpaste gets out of the container. This one doesn't have it for the small size, but this is what it looks like, and that is a great size, especially if you're going to try it out. Again, if you want to keep it for travel, that kind of thing. But it's a whitening plus enamel health toothpaste with natural peppermint. So that is everything, you guys, that came in this month's June box. You have a trial toothpaste, you have a trial mousse or the hair mask, whichever one. You have a trial perfume, and then you have the full size that you get to choose, the First Aid Beauty product. Oh my goodness. You have the $69 face mask, and then you have the boosting serum. Okay, you guys, so again, this is everything that came in the June box. I think this is a great box. I'm going to be enjoying some products, saving some products for you guys to enjoy. So that is definitely a win-win for me. Definitely comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite product in this box. Did you purchase this? Do you want to? Let me know all the details down below. If you do want to pop on over, I will have them in the description box so you can go check out Allure Beauty. Let me tell you what their current offers are, because they always change every single month. So Ooh, they have a, if you want to just try the box with no strings attached, they have like a one-time beauty discovery box. It says it's $50. Just try the box if you want. Or if you want to subscribe and save, it says it's $30 per box. You will receive $125 or higher in beauty products. And then you do get to shop their shop, and then there are the free gifts that you get. You can also gift a subscription as well. If you want to gift a subscription to somebody, you can do that. So month per month is $30 per box. If you want to go quarterly, it would bring it down to $25.50 per box. And if you want to save money to go to a full annual prepaid plan, that's what I do. It brings it down to only $24 per box. So that is the best and most deal that you will get. And then let me see if it tells us, oh, the new member gift would be a go-to glossy balm by Dibs Beauty. And then if you do the full annual, I'm not sure because it doesn't say on here. Normally you do get like a free bundle or something like that. I'm not seeing it on their website currently or quickly anyways. So yeah, that is all of that. It'll be again in the description box if you want to pop on over and check out Allure Beauty for yourself. If you'd like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that's everything to show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.